Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Varda's Cuisine. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. If you already subscribed my channel, don't forget to share, like and comment. Today I'm going to start with the yummy and delicious recipe of a chicken Manchurian that is everyone's favorite, my favorite also. For that we're going to use the veggies. First, I take one onion, peel the onion. After peeling the onion, you have to cut the onion into the cube shape or a square shape. In chicken Manchurian, I'm going to use different veggies. I'm using bell pepper, onion, spring onion. You can use the other veggies. It's up to you. Okay, now after that, I just cut the onion into the square shape or the cube shape. Wash the onion. After washing the onion, my next step is to cut another veggie, that is the capsicum, that I cut it again into the cube shape. And next my veggie, that is my favorite, spring onion. I finally chopped the onion. Here it is. Now I take half kg chicken, boneless chicken in cube shape. My first ingredient that I'm going to add for the marination to the chicken, that is 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps to tender your chicken, so use 2 tablespoons of vinegar for marination. Other ingredients that I'm going to use for the marination are 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of, you can use chili ketchup or a normal ketchup, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. If you don't have the corn flour, you can use the flour, 1 tablespoon, salt according to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So these simple ingredients I'm going to use to marinate the chicken. All these you're going to add into the chicken, mix it and marinate it and leave it at least for 30 minutes or 1 hour for the marination. So chicken will absorb all the spices, all the ingredients. So here I mix all the ingredients to the chicken for marination. And I leave it at least, I think, for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to shallow fry this chicken. Now this time the temperature of the oil is moderate. Now I'm start frying my chicken. So we'll just half cook the chicken, not fully done. We're going to half cook the chicken. We fried the chicken on a medium flame, or after that some point you can going to high the flame. We don't need to done the chicken at this time. Half done chicken, half done. Okay, now here I'm frying the chicken. It's turned out very delicious and yummy. So please try it and let me in the comment how is your result. Yeah, I'm just adding the chicken and shallow fry the chicken. So yeah, it's done. When it changed its color, like in a brown color, golden brown color, I just take it out from the pan. So it means my chicken is half done, it's ready. Yes, you can see it change its color. After a while, it's going to change its color. I'm just taking out the chicken, the fried chicken. It's really delicious and yummy recipe. You're going to love this. It's an easy recipe. So you can eat here chicken, vegetables, all the healthy things you're going to eat over here. So this is a simple recipe that I always make and cook, and my family always love it. So I suggest you please try it. Now here I take all the chicken. Okay, we're going to leave the chicken. My next step is that I'm going to take 2 tomatoes, chop the tomatoes and then blend the tomatoes with half cup of water. Here I'm adding the 2 tomatoes into the jar. After adding these 2 tomatoes, I'm using the half cup of water to blend the tomato here. Yes. So you can see my tomato is blended. I take 1 pan and then that I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of oil and then add the tomato. Next ingredient I'm going to add into the tomato puree, that is 1 chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 some salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar also, salt according to the taste. On high flame, stir the spoon. Yes, you can see I'm stirring the spoon. This is on high flame. I'm going to cook this gravy. Now here I'm adding the black pepper that I forgot to add and the little bit of ginger paste. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Instead of tomato paste, you can use the tomato chili ketchup or the ketchup. Now I cover it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Now time to add the chicken that we fried into the puree. Here I'm adding the chicken. If you want to make it spicy, you can add the chili ketchup, and some people add in the marination the red chili powder. You can use that. Now the veggies that we cut, that is onion and the capsicum, I use 1 tablespoon of oil and start frying these veggies. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, some black pepper. Now on high flame I'm just frying these veggies and adding the oil as well. And here I'm adding the vinegar. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Just stir the spoon on high flame. So when you are doing that, it will give very good fragrance of the veggies. Now time to add these veggies into the chicken that we made it, the gravy that we make it for the. Now I'm adding all the veggies. Also add the vinegar into the tomato puree that we make it. Now I adding all the veggies that we have, only the 2 veggies. Now time to thick the gravy. I use 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of corn flour in and 1-2 tablespoon of water, and adding this to, I want to make my puree thick. So just stir the spoon and adding this corn flour and water. So it's up to you at this point that how much thick you want or thin the gravy. Now in the end, I just dish it out and sprinkle the spring onion. There's no need to cook the spring onion. So just sprinkle it when we done it. Just garnish the spring onion. So you can see it is little bit thin. If you want the thick gravy, you can use the more corn flour. I use just 2 tablespoons of corn flour and some water and just mix it and add it to the gravy and then stir the spoon continuously to let it cook the corn flour. So you can use it's up to you. Now this is the fried rice. My mom made this yummy chicken fried rice. If you want the recipe of chicken fried rice, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.